I'm over here at Z Fever. They got this Nismo GTR. They got a lot of stuff. 240SX, G's, 240s, 280s, 300s. It's a Z paradise in here. Just motor parts. They build twin turbos. Ugh. Look at this, crazy. That's OD. Oh, that's clean. All the Z's. Nismo. And then my Sport Tech. But, oh. So this is the new and the old. The black paint with the cherry red sparkle, the original black cherry. Oh, that's so nice. Datsun 280. It's aggressive. It's aggressive. 300. It's all beat up. Still dope though. I really like that one. That's nice. That's classic. I literally have this 280 Datsun, the same color, that purple with the green stripe, everything as a Hot Wheels car. And my boy Chimmy gave me when I got my Z. Like, that's so crazy. That's the car right there. Oh my god, that's what I would get. That old school too. With the, look at the rear view mirror lights on the by the wheel. That's sick. So here's the custom Datsun 240Z, just like the one in the shop. Even the rims, you see the concaveness in the rim, the paint color, the mirrors right over the front wheels. Even have some carbon fiber lips on there. I thought that was kind of funny. Such a sexy car. Shout out to my boy Chimmy who got this for me when I got the Black Cherry Z. He couldn't get a 370Z one, so he saw this one and got it for me, but appreciate it. That's so dope. It's definitely an old school dream car I would definitely want to get. Yeah, that is amazing. Oh my god.
It's only a little bit wider than the roof.
Yeah, see the carbon fiber like sides on it. That's just wild.
Oh yeah. No,
that's a build right there. Oh my gosh. Like these carbon fiber lips on here. It's so aggressive. That's exactly what I would cop. Turbos in there, twin turbos in there. This Godzilla might be my next car. But that would be my old school dream car for sure. Look at the concaveness. That's so nice. I still got love for my Z. Oh, look at the new tires. So he says that whoever did it really messed up. Ooh. Z34. Nice. So this is what I want to get. The Nismo bumper on my whip. But see, this is the black, but it kind of looks the same. But I don't like the gold rims. And I was thinking about that, but if I'm going to do any like coating, it's going to be black. I don't think the gold. As we close out the day, leaving Fonzo's crib, see some nice whips here. M4, an S6, Porsche, is it Macon? Or a Cayenne? It's actually a Cayenne. And then cherry bombs. Homie with the Bentley and the GTA truck. Shit's crazy. Alright, so the test pipes are corrected, the tires are good, the car is running great. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that if you do get test pipes and take away the catalytic converter, the check engine light will come on and you will have to go and tune your car or get it reprogrammed some type of way. So that's something I gotta go do, I don't know when, sometime in the future. But for right now, at least the car's running smooth. That's pretty much it. Tune in next time. See you guys later. Peace.